Yes, we have snow. Hey, good morning everyone. This is the Peanuts Jeeping Adventures. And we're out with the St George Jeepers as usual. And today is a Saturday today. We're on a Saturday ride, not the Tuesday. And but we're on a new trail. It's a trail, it's been around for a long time, but new for the Jeepers, called Beehives. We're over in the Kanab coral pink sand dunes area, and we've got Bud Sanders leading it today. 4 rated trails and lots of sand and a few ledges and things, but especially a really scenic trail looking at these kind of unusual formations that we're going to be seeing at lunchtime. So hopefully fun trail. Got a lot of jeeps, I think it's 30 jeeps today, so big turnout. It's a new ride. So anyway, this is so you can see there's Peanuts as always. And then we just got the nice group. There's Karen. And we got a nice. Hey Alan.
Hi Colin.
How you doing?
Good, good.
So we got a nice group of folks here. Yeah, like I say, the sand is really damp. So yeah, nice group of rigs here today. Anyway, so we will see you on the trail on the next view, or perhaps a bit of Shirley in a bit. Okay, wow.
Oh God.
This has been a long time.
It's been a long time since we've done any filming, and I haven't missed it at all.
Yeah, I've told about the trail, but so everyone knows about that already. But yeah, it's nice to be out on Saturday.
It's different.
Yeah, different. Yeah, so yeah, we're mid-gunning today, so you know I'm trying to do video and pictures today, so you can let
mid-gunner's rolling.
So if we hear the tail gunner, then we don't have to do a mid-gunner duty while I'm trying to film here. So anyway, yeah, we just come out on a Saturday, different group of people, and some new faces and that we don't know, and fun.
And some old friends.
And a few old friends that we've been jeeping with now for 3 to 4 years. So yeah, we're in sand, it's kind of damp, so shouldn't be too much dust today. So I just hope there's no mud. I don't like mud.
Well,
so
it's soft out there.
Yeah, so we will see, but definitely splashings of snow here and now. So
Thank you, buddy.
okay, so we're good. We're just going to cruise along here and see what we can see.
I apologize, I couldn't hear you guys. I checked the little map that connects the coax and lock map. It was loose. About every 3 months seems like it comes loose.
Alright, well, we're cruising along here. You can see there's lots of snow still hanging around, and it's obviously been colder out there than it has in Hurricane.
But we can still see snow on the mountains.
Yeah, but boy, is
So
it melted.
might be this much.
Yeah,
Too.
yeah. So
I found an animal bone.
did you?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
It was white. It'd been there for so long, and I think it was a young calf or something.
Oh, really?
It
Yeah.
was the bottom part. You could see the hoof
Oh,
and
right.
the first nut.
Okay.
Almost brought it home.
For seeing bald eagles. If they're still here in this area, we will drive on through slowly, so maybe they will stay if they are actually here today.
Okay. Okay.
I would think that by now they would be on the nest.
Oh yeah.
You must have them really early.
Yeah. So in the winter time they're having their babies.
Yeah.
Laying eggs. Oh,
Wow, look at this.
Wow.
Snow, more snow.
more snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's colder back here.
still frozen. The yeah.
Huh.
That'll be very muddy when we come out because it'll be thawed on the sand. Yeah. Yeah, at the moment it's
You
crunchy.
go through the opening where the competition hill junior is. There's a fork. Take stay to the left and just follow the tracks. The Jeep in front of you.
There's the hill we went up. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
On the left, just follow the track and follow the Jeep in front of you.
So that's the hill off to the right that we race up.
Yeah.
Peanuts got up it last time, no problem.
Yeah, we'll see how it works.
Yeah.
Maybe he won't stop here, come back.
Yeah, he said he's going to stop and let people have a little go.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do one go.
Yeah.
But we know Peanuts goes up it no problems. And now we're.
Different conditions today, though. It might not be.
It was damp, sand stamp. It'll be even easier.
Oh.
So we're at a sign here. We're entering the Moquith Mountain Wilderness Study Area. So let's see what it's studying about.
It's telling me we're at 62 feet, 100 feet.
Yeah, we're at 6.
God, 60.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
I'm chatting away because this is like one of the lowest areas of Ponderosa Pine.
Need to get the oxygen out pretty soon.
We're at 5,000 to 6,000 feet, and they are here. They definitely look a little bit more stunted here. They don't look quite as tall as we're used to seeing them. Because they're very, very tall, straight trees.
These are old.
Yeah. And these are the ones. Oh, a few little obstacles here. They come up.
Look at those two back there. They're
Yeah,
quite
so
tall.
they're two nice ones off to the left there. Yeah. Well, I mentioned it before, but there's a nice little thing with a Ponderosa goat pine. You go, put your nose against it, sniff it, and you either smell butterscotch or vanilla, depending on your nose. So we will try that later.
Well, I know mine was butterscotch.
Usually butterscotch, yeah. I think I
it's
was
just because
vanilla.
it's a stronger flavor.
Yeah, yeah. I've always got vanilla out of them, but
Did
you know,
you?
yeah.
Yeah, no, mine was butterscotch.
Yeah. So we will try that later. Okay.
Okay, you gotta turn
It is
that
food
off.
time. Alright, hang on a second. Okay, we have to put it, we're starting the eating now. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, nut. Yep. It all goes quiet on the video, doesn't it? Because we're munching.
Yeah.
We're having our
Once
brunch.
you unwrap,
We're having
make a hell of
brunch.
a lot of noise unwrapping,
Yeah,
and then
Yeah.
go silent.
we're having our brunch now.
It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah, that's brunch, isn't it? Wow, this is a really, I like this drive through this little forest. I remember last time when we did this area, it's almost like a little enchanted forest you're going through, isn't it? But with the snow, makes it very cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, very nice.
nice contrast.
Yeah. Nice sky today as well. Alright, well, we've had something to eat and we're both happy now, aren't we?
Yeah, feeling a lot better.
Yeah.
We were
so-
starving.
We were starving, so, and we're still in snow. Still working our way through. It's really actually quite, we've been commenting in my one video how nice it is. Such a nice contrast to have the snow. Running through here, it's really nice.
Because it really isn't a cold day.
It's 43 out.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I bundled up today, so.
Yeah. But yeah, it has some going, and even in the where the snow's in the sun, it's still there. So it obviously hasn't been warming up here too quick. Probably late afternoon it warms up a bit. Right, really nice. So, yeah, all through this ride, there's little bits of slick rock that come up and have to go over. And then with the snow, makes it kind of fun. Trail hasn't been hit much because there's little snow on the trail. Not too many side-by-sides coming out. You know, nice view out there. Yeah, all covered in snow. That's all. Yeah. So we got. You can see the Jeeps rocking and rolling up here.
I recall most of the slick rock on our trail is south facing, so hoping it'll be cleared off.
Do some little bit of climbing and left and right, Shirley. So hang on to your neck.
Oh, well, okay.
I'll let your neck.
That's what I should come here with something tied around my neck.
Yes, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So you can hang on to it.
Yes, it keep you. I'll have it stretched up to the grab bars there. Yeah. Yeah, Shirley's nursing a little bit of a tendon problem in the neck at the minute, so lovely view out to the right. Yeah, so we just have to like pre-warn her when we're going to have some rocking and rolling coming up. So she's ready for it. But it's okay.
Oh yeah, it's
a little drop off there,
a little bit of a drop off.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it lasts long, but
yeah.
it's a downhill one for sure.
There he
Here
goes.
they go.
There he goes.
Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't. It's just. Ooh,
Oh yeah, it's
that was
nothing.
smooth, wasn't it? In the
It looked
sand?
like more from the back.
Yeah.
Like it was going to be steeper.
Everybody grouped enough to see the track the Jeep in front of you takes?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
I will see 4 or 5 of us in the back in the track. We're going to hold up here. 950.
Oops. Yeah, we try this little obstacle here. Nice little
Seems
step.
like we're going to be parked on this.
I think we'll just be alright, have enough room. Well, it looks like this is it. Yeah, we're going to get out here, Shirley.
Oh.
Alright. There we go. Okay, well, we had a nice viewpoint there. You can see we could see the backside of West Temple of Zion, and got some nice pictures there. I'm actually in a picture.
Are you?
Yeah. So,
Can you reach my hat, or can you grab those?
Yep.
Thank you. I found some manzanita
Yes.
that was broken on the road.
Okay, all right, yeah.
Little pieces.
All right, we're going down a nice little thing here.
Did you say mid-gunners maybe?
Yeah, oh yeah. So, yeah, mid-gunners move in, but sneak through these little trees here. Give the window a little dust clean.
That's a nice shot.
It is, isn't it? Yeah, lovely view. Yeah. Nice one. There's a branch sticking out your side. You see it? This one, right by the door.
Oh no, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone chopped that off. That was nice. It was sticking out.
I wonder if they took it off on the pre-run.
Maybe,
Might have,
The track that we took was about the right track, so hopefully everybody can follow that line.
Yeah. Oh, that was what he was talking about. Yeah, we got a little rocky and rolly here.
Going over something.
Well, us or them?
You are.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. You're over the big one on this side. Now, this is a deep one you're going to fall down into.
That's all right. Okay.
There you go. Very nice. Oh, there's one of those beehivey things, I think.
That might be one of them, or something like it. That's what formations we're going to see.
You know, it might be nice for you to think about a camera in the front like we did with Peanuts. It didn't seem to work out there.
No. Oh, I see where he's gone.
You see it?
Yeah, I see where he's gone.
Okay.
For those coming down or up the trail right now, we have a Jeep that's having some trouble with the obstacle at the top here, so we're all stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, they just got it, so we'll start moving again.
When we did this last year with Joan, we went down that off the left. That's that drop. That's where Peanuts was really tippy, yeah. So we've taken another line this time, yeah.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Okay, that went well, yeah. Okay.
The hill. I'm just waiting for my wife to catch up because she's photographing them coming up there.
Up ahead, Bronco has made it through.
Oh yeah, that's a big hole.
Yeah,
right
that's where
there.
he was stuck. Yeah.
That's what was holding him up. Oh my God, Peanuts is just.
He's a machine.
He's a machine. He's so fantastic.
Yeah.
I thought for sure we were going to get stuck there. Get up. Way to go, guy. We have to buy him some present for being so good. Come on. Wow.
Canyon sees you.
Okay, the
Intersection coming up. We're gonna go right to the right. It's where we leave the Hill Dive Canyon Trail.
okay, so we are I'd say
Without the snow, would you normally have gone that way? I would really have to consider it this big of a Jeep.
Number.
I several years ago did it with a group not even this big, and it took forever to get through those obstacles down in the bottom of the canyon.
okay. So anyway,
A
we
small group, I would have definitely done it.
yeah, so we're had to cool down the GoPro there because the sun comes through the camera and does warm them up a little bit. It's doing better because I've got more batteries, so I'm not got it plugged into power. So I just threw the camera in the snow and it cooled it down. So we're up and running again. Right, Ponderosa there, just one dead one and one
Partially dead.
looking that way. Yeah. This pioneer, look at it. Looks so cool. It's like you couldn't. Only Mother Nature can make them look like this, isn't it? Like we couldn't. Okay, another little slick rock area we're going through here. Awesome tree off to the right there, and snow off to the left, and rocks off to everywhere else. So Monkey marbles? I don't know.
Yeah, look at.
Look
No, that's crypto. Is it crypto? I don't know. How
No,
they
they're
do look
monkey
like
marbles.
They are.
Yeah,
monkey
they're a big
marbles.
pile of them.
Yeah. Watch
Yeah.
where you're going.
I'm watching. Yep. We're looking at the monkey
Yeah,
marbles.
They are monkey marbles.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this is deeper.
Well, we are in the snow now.
Yeah. You aren't leaving people behind, are you?
I don't know. I'm trying to look to see if
You
there's.
seem to be moving quite
Yeah.
good. You might want to. Well, whatever. There's no place for them to go to here. Nobody's behind
Yeah.
us.
It's okay.
Yeah, we shouldn't get lost. No, I don't see anybody yet. Gonna fall down.
We're just working our way through another obstacle here. Just getting our way down. Nice view in front though.
Yeah, just let him go a little bit though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna fall here a little bit, slide a little bit on this side. Yeah. I think you can make a better turn. Yeah, he went way out. You're not out as far as he was.
Yeah. Just see him where he's going.
Hey, leader. Yes.
That's a little
Let him
bit-
go, Cohen.
Yeah.
Don't get so close.
What's up? Someone said, hey, leader.
get some striping on this side.
I'm not worried about
I
that.
know. I'm just telling you. Yeah, you're good. You're all right. It's getting steeper right now. But you're good. Ah, what a machine!
That's it.
What a machine!
problems? Anybody having a problem? Let's go slow down some rocks and tight corners.
Yeah, mid gonna just drop down that step. It's okay, a little off camera, but it's okay.
Moving in the back.
Okay, we got a little sand hill to climb here.
We just go up and then we go
Yeah,
down.
that's it, yeah.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Got
Going down.
got some bar hole mode up here, Rob, climbing a sand hill.
You can stop for doing trimming.
Copy that. They got the tree trimming pretty well.
Well, I think this is, we're getting near lunch now,
Oh, they're
so
really high.
next bit, viewpoints and lunch.
You guys are in front of us. If you're pulled off, you could let us pass.
Well, so if you can, let us by.
Okay, so we had lunch there, we couldn't get out to the viewpoint, so
Rest area is pretty.
we turned around and heading back.
Zach, we can maybe get
See, there's like a beehive
You
right
got
there.
5 with you coming out.
So
Roger that. 5 coming out, and we're in an area where it's really hard to pull over.
yeah, that was a nice lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And we just stood, chatting, enjoyed the scenery, chatting with Rob and Michelle, and had a nice lunch. And we're all full. I'm going to take a nap now.
That means I'm going to drive.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay, well, we're still working our way out after our lunch spot on this in and out, and
Let it pass Lonnie Tree.
we're heading to the beehives.
Yeehaw.
Still heading to the beehives. So
They better be spectacular by the time we get there.
yeah, I thought we saw.
This is Bob. I haven't been to the Beehive, but there's a Y intersection coming up. The left is the way we came up. Is the right the way to the Beehive?
bit of confusion going on because our trail leader's stuck at the back because we had to do a turnaround because of the snow. Now it's all a little confusing.
Anybody that's been to the Beehive know that? We're in a Y, some went right, some went left. Leader in the red truck, are you going to the Beehive?
Okay, well it's been some change arounds here and back and forwards because the group split. Someone wanted to go home, but we've done a quick turnaround and we're heading down to the Beehives now. Good thing is there's a couple of people in front so we can see the tracks. And actually you can see some of the formations.
Oh, there
there we go.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Should have hopped out and taken that picture on that side. Because I don't think we won't,
there
be
they
coming,
are. Yeah.
we won't be coming up.
Oh, yeah,
this
they
way,
are.
will
Look,
we?
here it is. Oh, God, it's so close.
Wow.
Oh, man, pity didn't come back, real Michelle. He's very, very close. Oh, okay.
Yeah. You could go right there, Cullen.
Alright, well, we've arrived at the Beehives. That was, it's really split up now. We've gone from a group of 31 down to, it looks like 10, so, but it was very close. So anyway, there's a picture of Peanuts. So we all see video Peanuts, and there's Bud's lead vehicle there. And there's some of them up there, some Beehives up there. Really unusual formations, so. Go around here and they're all hidden up there. Yeah. Beautiful. Very nice, aren't they, Charlie?
Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This old tree that's come down.
And there are a lot of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that old tree.
Tree come down there, yeah. Got some snow here.
It's a pretty neat view through the
Yeah,
notch
look at
there.
that, yeah. Wow, yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That is something, isn't it?
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Do you think it's faster to go just left here or to drive back on the trail?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Down
Wow.
in the bottom of the valley,
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Wow. That is
Sure
very.
it would be alive.
Yeah. Wow. All right. All we've arrived at the Beehives. That was it's really split up now. We've gone from a group of 31 down to it looks like 10. So, but it was very close. So anyway, there's a picture of Peanuts. So we all see Video Peanuts, and there's Bud's lead vehicle there, and there's some of them up there. Some beehives up there. Really unusual formations. So, gonna go around here, and they're all hidden up there. Yeah. Beautiful. Very nice, aren't they, Charlie?
Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This old tree that's come down.
And there are a lot of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that old tree.
Tree come down there, yeah. Got some snow here.
It's a pretty neat view through the
Yeah,
notch
look at
there.
that, yeah. Wow, yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That is something, isn't it?
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Do you think it's faster to go just left here or to drive back on the trail?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Down
Wow.
in the bottom of this valley,
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Wow. That is very...
Would be alive.
Yeah. Wow. All right. All right. Well, there's some more of these beehive formations. And we got a beehive. We got a bee flying around. Crazy formations.
We're all heading over there, Colin.
Okay.
We're all heading over there.
Over where?
Should've went higher.
There's all the group, the rabble here. Oh man, look at them all. All like a bunch of bees.
It sounds like we got the...
Yeah, we've got bees above us. Okay. There's our bee up there.
He's got the camera up there, so he's not taking us.
Oh,
Are you taking
I am. I've got you all on here. Yeah, yeah. You just need to. Well, just say something. Yeah. They're all looking at the.
First, and then I can turn around.
You're all looking at the drone. I'm just putting you on video. So yeah, you know, just a nice wave from everyone. Yeah. Janet. There we go. Here we go. There we go. Okay. All right.
So I think
Well, we stopped to the beehive spot here, and we're going to start heading home on the trail we've been, and we're just going to get up this sand hill here from the beehives. There's loads of them all back there. You can see them all. Yeah, really neat. I got a great picture of that one. See some of the pictures there. There's a picture on the left of this beehive.
yeah.
It looks like the trees growing out of
yeah, it looks like it's the
it.
pot.
Get up to the intersection again. Remember, it's a left turn.
So we've got a bit of a sandy climb. Nothing going to be too
We're all moving
trouble.
out of the beehive, and we're going to do a left turn at the intersection. Thank you, Marty.
We put that off-road plus button on. Oh, here it goes up, doesn't it? Wowie.
Okay, left at the intersection.
There we are. We're coming out. There. God, it was so close, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. So, all right. So we're back on the trail out, and
Thank you, Gil. Thank you, Marty.
might just do a little bit here, but basically, yeah, that's the trail. We've had some great scenery and snow, and we had a lunch. We couldn't make the viewpoint that Bud wanted to get to. It was too bad, so the snow and that, so we had lunch there, and then we ended up at the beehives. But the beehive would be a good lunch spot.
Yeah.
Be a lovely lunch spot. You could kind of then explore it a little bit. So
Don't forget though, in
Yeah.
the summer it's not good. It's too
Yeah, definitely a nice spring ride or a fall ride. Yeah, or it's cool. It's a little cooler, but yeah. Anyway, so we're just going to worm our way out of here. Look at that. You can see all the Escalante there, and yeah, Powell Point, and all the high points of the Grand Staircase. Yeah, that's a big view across there as well, isn't it? You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is this snowy section, isn't it? Yeah. It's trouble. It's all going to start thawing a little bit. You can hear it.
Crunchy, it's starting to freeze up.
No, it's thawing.
Oh, thawing.
Yeah, so it's all running down
Oh,
again.
yeah.
So.
Probably all freeze overnight though.
Oh yeah, sure. Well, we raced to the top, and now we're going to go down.
Oh God. Oh. Ah, okay. Whoops. Keep it going, Colin.
There we go. Yeah, that's the.
Stay out of the mud over here.
I'll go over here. I'll go behind and watch one of the others go up,
Okay.
so to see what we just did.
Just say, okay, your turn.
Yeah. There goes Bud. Let's quick turn around so you can see.
Watch out.
Yep, I
for
am.
these
Yeah.
guys.
There he goes.
Oh my God.
Bud's
oh.
giving it a go. Is he going to
Oh,
make it? Is he going to make it?
Yay! Yay! Way to go.
So fun.
I just left it in drive, but
That's pretty exciting.
with this, well, the thing is in these, I'll turn this off now. Well, that wasn't a finish earlier, so we whizzed up the sand hill. Peanuts whizzes up it, no problem. So, and so now we are just heading up the final a little bit, just we can get some air in the tyres and get home and put our feet up, can't we? Sure. Yeah, good trail, good day out. So anyway, that's about it. So hope you enjoyed the Beehives trail.